Hey, boss man, I got a new truck. What you think?
You bought a new truck?
Yeah, I just bought it yesterday.
No,
Shit,
no,
fool.
no, man.
Out the dealership.
You shouldn't have bought that truck, Emilio. I'm just...
What do you mean I shouldn't have bought it?
I'll see you in the
Damn it,
meeting,
man.
Emilio.
I'll see you in the meeting. Hey, badass truck. We pick up all the girls tonight.
Fuck yeah, bro.
Good morning, guys. Good morning. If anybody who notices a brand new truck outside, hey, what can I say? It's mine.
This guy, man. You shouldn't have done that, bro. Yeah, he fucked
Oh,
up.
what the fuck? Why is everybody sad?
What's up, guys? Good morning. Today we wanted to treat you guys with some 5-star restaurant food, so go ahead and enjoy.
Okay, shit. So we got food. Is that a seafood boil?